I'm Peter Guagenti. I'm President and Chief Marketing Officer of Tabnine. Tabnine is the AI coding assistant that you control. I am a coffee addict, and I am usually, if you find me at a coffee shop, it'll be a dry cappuccino. At home, it's just black coffee from the pot.
But you're building a coding assistant that has access to so much more than just your code.
Yeah.
And I know that I can only imagine how happy people are that an LLM can read their epics and their stories, and it can give them context. And maybe one day you can have some agents that will go and just do the epics and stories for you. But
Yeah.
I don't know. Are you there yet?
We're there, actually. We're not released, but yes, we have that. We have a lot of that stuff already built.
No.
And we'll be rolling out over the coming months. So,
Oh my God.
I'll back up and tell a little bit about why this company and what they were going after, and then why I joined. I've only been in the company now for a few months. So Tabnine is the originator of the AI coding assistant category. So the company actually released its first product 5 years ago now. And it was basically in parallel with the growth of LLMs, right? So as LLMs started to really demonstrate their power, the company founders had been focusing on developer productivity and automating as much of the developer software development lifecycle as possible through other sort of data intensive means, but LLMs had the most promise. And, it's obvious, right? If you think about it, large language model, what does it need? It needs, structure in the language. It needs repeatability in the language. It needs clear rules. Like the English language is a mess, which is why it's taken so long for generative AI to work with in the English language. But, programming languages are they're very rules driven. It works really well. So the company built originally an LLM to do code completions in the IDE. So as you type, basically we'll type ahead of you. Really powerful, actually. Really, really powerful. Because, when you're trying to write a function and you're trying to add data, in fields and everything, it knows where you're going based on the context of what you have open. And where it's going, though, and the reason why I joined the company is AI. My belief is AI is going to change every job, right? Every single thing we do today will look a little bit different 5 years from today. It's the same thing we went through with digital transformation. It's not all scary. I think some of it feels a little scary. But my view of it is it's not going to be a job replacement. I think about a lot of these things as like an Ironman suit for the mind. Like they're really about accelerating you and accelerating your skills and your capabilities and automating away the mundane. That's the truth.